measuring spatula ice cream scoop. So this is the box of the machine. Silvercrest Ice Makers. And the numbers. Power supply 18 volts. I'm just going to wipe it a little bit. It has a fan here. Okay, so I have my basic vanilla ice cream recipe from the Lidl box. That's in another video. It's the first time that I use this. Okay, I'm supposed to turn it on and put it on ice cream. Okay, so the fan starts to blow and it starts to churn slowly. Very small machine. It has no compressor. So I pressed ice cream and here's soft ice. I guess this is the coldest setting. And it's supposed to run for 80 minutes, which I find a lot. So, see you in a bit. So guys, this is now 1 hour and 20 minutes later. I'm going to stop the machine. And this is what we have. It's not really ice cream. It's not ready to eat. And you have to hold this whole machine. Luckily there's a handle here like this, that you have to hold the machine like this. And this is the consistency. Just hold on a second, I will give you my honest opinion. So this is what we got after 1 hour and a half, 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's still not even soft ice. I'm going to put this in the freezer quickly. So my honest opinion about this machine is, you know, in the supermarket I got excited to buy this item because it said that you don't need to pre-freeze the bowl, that you just plug it in and put in your mixture. That's why I got excited to buy it. But actually when you open the recipe book says mix everything and you have to put 2 hours in the fridge, so that's already 2 hours. After 2 hours you put it in the machine, and then again after you saw the result after 1 hour and 20 minutes, you know, it still did not have that consistency. You know, if you have the patience for this, you have to really prepare for this. Okay, it's a 50 euros machine. Honestly, I have another video of the other machine from Lidl which was only 20 euros. That's with a bowl that you have to put in the freezer, and that, if you prepared the previous day to put that bowl in the freezer and you want to at any moment's time make an ice cream, you take it out of the freezer, put your mixture inside, cold or whatever, you turn on that machine, and I'm telling you, like in 10 minutes you really have a hard ice cream. You don't have that with this. You don't have that with this machine here. So it's up to you. That was 1 hour and 20 minutes, maybe 20 minutes longer, and I would have a little harder ice cream. That would be 1 hour 20 minutes would be 1 hour 40 minutes, you know, like 2 hours churning. It consumes 90 watts. I'm not sure. I'm not so happy with this idea. So tell me what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching.